Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 6, that is computer mouse. A mouse is a very important part of computer. Can you tell what a mouse is? Yes, mouse is a computer part used for navigation on a computer screen. A mouse contains a mouse pointer which help us to point the things on the screen. Mouse can be used to give commands to the computer. It is used for selecting and pointing icons on the computer. It also helps us to draw pictures and play games on the computer screen. Mouse is attached to the CPU with the help of a long wire. There are generally 3 buttons on the mouse. We have a left button, a middle button, and a right button. It has a ball or a glowing light under it. So, a ball which is in the middle is known as a scroll wheel. You can see in this mouse we have a scroll wheel and a glowing light under it. When we use the mouse, a red color light is blowing under this. So, this is known as a glowing light. A mouse may have a small wheel in place of a middle button, and this small wheel is known as the scroll wheel. How to hold the mouse in a hand. In this video, this is the way to hold the mouse. Your index finger should be on the left button. Middle finger should be on the right button. The mouse should be supported with the thumb from the left side and from the little finger and the ring finger from the right side. Mouse is always placed on a soft and flat pad called the mouse pad. A mouse pad is a pad which is used to move the mouse smoothly. You should place your palm on the mouse and hold it tight lightly. Put your index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger right mouse button. We have a mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is the arrow that you see on the computer screen. It moves in the same direction as the mouse moves. It moves in the same direction as we move the mouse. Now, what is the process of using the mouse? A mouse is used by pressing its buttons. Pressing buttons on the mouse is called clicking. So, we should press this left button and then move the mouse. And this process is known as clicking. So, to press the mouse once and release it is known as a single click. We have 2 types of clicking, single click and the double click. Single click means we gently press and release the left mouse button once. It makes a click sound. We have to keep a hand like this, press this left button and leave once. This process is known as single click. Single click is used for selecting an object or document on the computer screen. So, if you want to select an item or a document on the computer screen, we should hold the mouse and click the left button once and release it. This process is known as single click. Then we have double click. When you press and release the left mouse button twice quickly, it is known as double click. So when we press and release the left button twice, this process is known as double click. Hold the mouse, use the left button to press it twice quickly and then releasing. This process is known as double click. So to open an item or a document or file in a computer, we use double click. Remember girls, single click is used to select an item or a document on the computer screen, but double click is used to open a document or file in a computer screen. Now we have a process which is done by the mouse, that is drag and dropping. Dragging and dropping the mouse has its own uses. To drag the mouse, we keep the left mouse button pressed and move the mouse. Dragging is used to move an object or to select text on the screen. To drag the mouse, we keep the left mouse button pressed and move the mouse. So can you see my left button of the mouse is moved and I'm moving the mouse. Dragging is used to move an object or to select text on the screen. Dragging means to move the object and to select. But dropping means to release the mouse button. Means to select an item, to move the mouse and to leave. This process is known as dragging and dropping. There are few steps to follow for the dragging of the mouse. Hold the mouse properly. Place the mouse pointer on the object to be moved. Press the left mouse button. Keep the button pressed and move the mouse in the desired direction on the mouse button. Now release the mouse button. These are the 5 steps you have to follow to drag the object on the screen. So when you leave the mouse button at the last, this process is known as dropping. Moving an object from one place to another on the computer screen is known as dragging. A mouse is used to move the mouse pointer on the monitor. We have few different types of mouse also. We have laser mouse, we have scroll mouse, we have 3-button mouse, then we have a roller mouse. So there are different types of mouse which help us to do the same thing, to point out the things on the screen. But the mouse shows, for example, this is an optical mouse which shows a red light under it and a scroll wheel at the top. So girls, now you understood what is the importance of the mouse, how it is used and why the mouse is used on the screen. There are few mouse pointers also. The arrowhead pointer help us to point out the things. Then we have a pointer which is in a shape of a hand, which tells us that this is a highlighting text, and when we click on this text, another page gets open. It directs us to another page. Then we have an eye type mouse pointer which help us to enter the text on the screen. So this was the working of the mouse. Please do practice how the mouse is, how to hold the mouse and how the mouse should be worked. Thank you girls.